Okay, you guys, so we're going to go ahead and we're going to find the component form of AB, the vector, with the initial point at -4, 2, and the terminal point at 3, -5. So following that component formula, it's x2 minus x1, comma, I'll make this look more like a comma, it's a horrible comma, y2 minus y1. So since this is the terminal point, I'm going to pick that. So we're going to have 3 minus a -4, comma, -5 minus 2. And we get 7, comma, -7. So it's going 7 units in the positive direction and then 7 units in the negative direction as it goes along. So you could see, let's see, x is going positive while y is going negative. So it looks something like that, because x is going positive and y is going negative. You don't have to do that, but I'm just showing you how to show what it's going to be. All right, and that's it. I changed my mind. Let's do another example. Just because I know the 7s are still on the screen, but I can't get them away. Okay, let's find if A is 0, 8, and B is -9, -3. Go ahead, you guys. I want you to try to find that, pause it, and then do it on your own. Remember that you need to make sure to put it in that format with the arrows. So pause it in a second and then hit play again when you're ready. Okay, hopefully you paused it. Hoping. So you can try it on your own. -9 minus 0, comma, -3 minus 8. Hard like pointy arrows on the ends. It looks like the greater than less than symbols. -9, comma, -11. And that's it for that one. And that would be component form. Hopefully you're able to do that on your own. If not, go back and see where you went wrong, and then you're ready to move on to the next piece.